Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in.
Today I'm going to be redecorating the mantle and fireplace area for early fall, not necessarily fall yet, but kind of that in-between time where, it's August and you're ready for fall, but it's not quite time for pumpkins and acorns everywhere. So I'm going to just go ahead and give it kind of a late summer, early fall feel and remove all the decor that I have up and get my plants repotted into some more like fall appropriate planters.
Hummingbird wing, golden, I follow only golden, golden things.
Y'all, please do not judge me for the way that my plants look. I feel like I try my best, and I just don't have the best luck with my plants looking the greatest. I always water them. I feel like they get the appropriate sunlight, but as you can see, I had some yellow leaves and some dried up leaves, so just no judgment, please.
Golden things.
I am going to be taking down this mirror because I have this piece of artwork that I thrifted, honestly, last year sometime or maybe longer, and I haven't gotten to use it yet, but it's beautiful, and I knew when we moved into this house and we had a mantle that I wanted to put it out around this time because, as you can see, it's gorgeous, and I just think it's the perfect piece to kind of send off summer.
Feet step over splinters of the moon.
Now I'm just going to start adding in some pieces. As always, I say this in every decorating video, but 99.9% of the items that I use in my decor are thrifted or from antique stores, so I won't be able to link anything down below. Maybe the greenery that I used I might be able to find on Hobby Lobby. If so, I'll link that down below, but other than that, everything was found secondhand.
I follow only golden, golden things. Golden, I follow only golden, golden things.
These apple stems I found at an antique mall not too long ago, and I've mentioned here multiple times how inspired I am by that picture by Liz Marie Galvin where she has similar vases and these really beautiful pear stems. So I couldn't get my hands on the pear stems, but when I saw these apple ones I thought, wow, those are beautiful, I could kind of recreate that. So that's sort of what I'm doing here. Just wanted to mention that.
Peaceful rest is not a test. Sweet, sweet dreams. Deep sleep, big heat, cover me. Re-energize me. While I fantasize, deep sleep, big heat, cover me.
Also, I feel like it's kind of important to tell y'all that I did not just press record and throw this together in the matter of a few minutes. I worked on it off camera for about an hour until I got it to a spot that I liked. But no, I never just go and start decorating a space. It usually takes me hours to even a few days or, however long until I get it looking the way that I feel is perfect in my eyes.
Re-energize me. While I fantasize, deep sleep, big heat, cover me. Turn out the light. chasing clouds and suns. Maybe, just maybe, I wanna explore the unknown. Tell me, maybe, I say come, whatever comes. Maybe, just maybe, deep sleep, big heat, cover me, re-energize me, while I fantasize. Deep sleep, big heat, cover me, turn out the light. Deep sleep, big heat, cover me, re-energize me, while I fantasize. Deep sleep, big heat, cover me, turn out the light.
At the bottom of the fireplace, I have these 2 picnic baskets stacked up, and I'm just going to leave it like that for now. I'll probably change this up closer into fall time, but I am going to add a doily and a few other items on top. Actually, this doily was just recently sent to me by a subscriber, and I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I don't have many that are large like this, so thank you again, Gloria, if you're watching. And now I'm just going to add a book of poems and a cute little oil lamp to give it a more cozy feel. That's gonna wrap up today's decorating video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Let me know down below, do you decorate for early fall, or do you just stick with summer for a while, or do you start decorating for fall in August? I would love to hear from y'all. Thank you so much again for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're not so you don't miss out on any upcoming content, and I will talk to y'all in my next video.